Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Savannah Chantier, and I am a student in the Doctor of Occupational Therapy program at Nova Southeastern University, the Tampa Bay Regional Campus. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating for you how I adapted a children's toy using two different kinds of switches. Today, I will be adapting a bubble machine using a push switch and a tilt switch. Step 1 was finding a male to female adapter like the one pictured here. I then cut the cords into three separate sections and stripped the wire and the insulators inside. After this, I cut pieces of copper into small squares to work as the battery interrupters. I then taped the copper squares onto the end of one of the female wires. After it was secure, I inserted the copper into one of the battery compartments on the flat side of the battery. I then plugged the male end into the female end and tested to see if the electrical circuit was working by touching the two wires together. I created a button using an old CD case and taped the male adapter to the inside of the case. Let's see how it works now. So now for the button activation, I will plug the male adapter into the female adapter, make sure the machine is turned on, and then press the smiley face for activation as the bubbles begin to blow, and then I can turn it off. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how I created the tilt switch adapter using this tilt switch. I taped both ends of the tilt switch to each wire of the male adapter using electrical tape. I then taped the tilt switch onto the back of an unopened bottle of bubbles to use as my tilt switch activator. Here's the finished product. Let's see how it works. So now for the tilt switch activation, I will make sure the bubbles are laying on their side to start. Plug the male end into the female end. Make sure that the bubble machine itself is turned on, and then flip the bubbles right side up so the bubbles begin to blow, and then I can flip the bubbles down to turn it off. The anatomical sites that can be used for these switches are the fingers, the palm of the hand, your elbow, or foot. Each of these anatomical sites create an opportunity for a child to use this toy with ease and comfort. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you gained a greater understanding of how to make a toy adaptable, and here are the references I used in order to complete this project.